This tutorial will show you how to enroll in classes during your enrollment appointment time or during the open enrollment period. From the main menu of your SOLUS Student Centre, click on the Manage Classes tile. Select Class Search and Enroll and the appropriate term. Here you can search using a keyword such as history, and this will return results for every course that contains the word history in the title or the description. Suppose you only want to search for classes with the subject code HIST. Click on Additional Ways to Search. Use the drop-down menu to select History, and you can enter the catalog number if you know it, or if you want to see all history courses being offered, click the Search button. You'll notice on the side of the screen that there's additional criteria that you can use to search for your classes. By default, you will only see courses that are open. If you wish to see all courses that are being offered in history, whether they are open or closed, you can uncheck this setting. In this example, we're going to select History 108. You will see that there are several options to choose from. For this class, there is one common lecture that all students attend and various seminar options to choose from. When selecting your option, be sure that it can be scheduled conflict-free with your other courses. Review your selection and click Next. Here you are prompted to join the waitlist if the class is full. Click the Accept button and move on. At this screen, you are given the option to either enroll directly into the class or to put the class in your shopping cart. At this screen is where we can click the Submit button. We are being prompted to ask if we're sure. We'll say yes. This screen is showing you that the class has been added to your schedule. If you wish to enroll in more classes, you can either click the Return to Class Search Results button or return to Keyword Search page. Or if you wish to return to your main menu of your SOLUS Student Centre, you can click on the link here. For more tutorials or information, please visit our website at www.queensu.ca/registrar.